sending drones which are quick. They will not be subject to traffic. They will not be subject to all these uneventualities, and making sure that simultaneously all these health facilities could do vaccinations with just the doses they need is a very powerful thing.
Irrespective of geographic barriers, we want to enrich every eligible Ghanaian just to ensure that individuals are protected, and you then have the opportunity to really keep the the pandemic under control.
Ghana has demonstrated that it can effectively immunize large amount of its people in a very short time in a safe and effective manner. This has been demonstrated twice over now, and therefore the system works. The efficiency of the system is ever improving.